see about exercise 4.2. Taking question number 5. The question is, translate the following pattern and complete the design in rectangular stripe. Okay, so translate the following pattern. In this problem they are given the patterns. So here we have to find the translational symmetry. Already we know about the translational symmetry. What is the translational symmetry? Particular pattern or design continued throughout. Okay, particular pattern or design continued throughout. The pattern, so here the pattern changes its place. So here pattern changes its place without rotation or reflection. Okay, without rotation or reflection. So the exact image is found without changing its orientation. So here taking this given pattern. Okay, so here the given pattern. So here we have to find complete the design in rectangular stripe. Complete the design in rectangular stripe. So here we are using the translate. Okay, translate the following pattern. Okay, translate the following. Translate is continued throughout without changing any reflection or orientation. Okay, without changing reflection or orientation. So the next following, the next design is the exact image. Okay, the exact image found without changing its orientation. So okay, so it is continued throughout this rectangular stripes. Okay, so it is continued. This continued throughout. Translation symmetry occurs when a pattern slides to the new position. The pattern slides to the new position. When a pattern slides to the new position. The sliding movement involves neither rotation nor reflection. Okay, neither rotation nor reflection. The exact image found without changing in orientation in the rectangular stripes. This is the answer of this question. Okay, solution. Okay, so this is the way to find the translating the given pattern and complete the design in rectangular stripes. Okay. Next problem, question number 4. The 3-digit number 101 has 101 has rotational and reflection symmetry. Give 5 more examples of 3-digit number which both rotational and reflection symmetry. Okay, so in this problem, the 3-digit number, they are given a 3-digit number 101. Okay, 101 has rotational and reflection symmetry. Taking the 101. Okay, 101 has rotational and reflection symmetry. So rotational means, which already we know about the rotational symmetry. An object is said to have a rotational symmetry if it looks the same after being rotated about its center through an angle less than 360 degrees. It is a rotational symmetry. So here we have to rotating this. Okay, we are having to rotating. One rotation is complete. It look be the same. Okay, look the same after being rotated. So first we have to rotating this. So it looks the same. One rotation is complete. So one is similar. Okay, similar is 1 as it is 0, 1. Okay, so 101 is the rotational symmetry and the reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is a shape has a reflection symmetry if it has a lines of symmetry. Okay, so 101 already we know about the lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry is we know that the lines of symmetry divides a figure into 2 equal halves. Okay, divides a figure into 2 equal halves. So here we have to dividing this. Okay, we have to dividing this. So we have to dividing this. This one is exactly equal to this one. So similar as, so here 101 has the lines of symmetry. If lines of symmetry has the reflection symmetry. Okay. when you keep a mirror, okay, when you keep a mirror, so here we have to keep a mirror in this place. When you keep a mirror along the lines of symmetry, the other half of the figure gets reflected. So if 1, 0, 1, okay, the lines of symmetry, first draw the lines of symmetry, okay, draw the lines of symmetry. When you keep a mirror, okay, when you keep a mirror along the lines of symmetry, the other half of the figure, okay, where the other half of the figure gets reflected. The other half of the figure gets, imagine the mirror is here, the other half of the figure gets reflected here, okay, reflected by the mirror, and it looks the same, okay. This is known as a reflection symmetry. So here 101 is the both rotation and a reflection symmetry, okay. So in this way we have to give the 5 more examples of 3-digit numbers which both rotational and a reflection symmetry. Both rotation and the reflection symmetry. Okay, the 3-digit number. The answer is 1, 8, 1, 1, 1, 1, 8, 0, 8, 8, 1, 8, 8, 8, 8. So the answer is 181, 111, 808, 818, 888. So here these 5 examples are having the rotational and reflection symmetry.